keeps coming unplugged.
You can ask the question again.
What was your original idea for this video?
For this video?
Yeah.
So basically, my original plan for this video is to tell you guys I'm revamping. I'm coming into this, I don't know what you want to call it, guys. I've just kind of taken a step back from everything. If you haven't noticed, I haven't been posting near as much. But I'm revamping everything. I'm kind of, and I need to clean up, so that's kind of what I'm doing is I'm cleaning up in the moment. And I'm setting up for another, I'm probably about to paint a Whopper Plopper, but I'm not going to do it in this video. But I'm going to set up for it because I do need to make goals to actually start, like, I don't know, how disorganized are you? I'm disorganized as all get out, and I have everything. It's just a mess. Things are just everywhere, and I have to really get organized, and I need to start prioritizing and living like, almost like a block schedule. And just P.S., excuse the bruises.
I did not do that or that, just for the record.
No, I went to go donate plasma, right? So when I went to go donate plasma, they just got me wrong. And, you know, I got infiltrated on this one. And I guess this one, too. This one's just been getting worse over the last day. But that's not even the point of the whole
Trying to
video.
get her to slow down and take it easy, but you see how low that's going right now with her making this video.
It's because I've been wanting to do this. I've really been, like, I've kind of taken the month of May off. And, like, this is probably going to come out closer to June. It's already closer to June. But, like, I still have to open up my drone. I want to really get my drone involved and start using my drone more. I got a kayak, you know, I got a new kayak, and I really want to get my kayak more involved. I got a puppy, and I really want to get my puppy involved. And I got this stuff to do more lures, and I have other things that are coming too. And, you know, my fiance at that. Yes, if you haven't caught on yet,
Mine.
we are engaged now. So there's the thing, guys. It's just kind of like I got a lot going on, and I'm trying to find a happy balance, and there's one out there. I just got to learn to kind of stop adding and figure out where the priority is. So I'm really going to enjoy painting lures, so I really want to get this set up and get it going. But I really do enjoy fishing and taking you guys out fishing with me and enjoy doing that too. But, see, and that's where I make that mistake, is I don't want there to be a but there. It's not but, it's kind of and. And I want to make a new style of video. I want to put more of a cinematic twist is what I'm going to say. I'm going to try to attempt to put a cinematic twist to this video in some form or fashion. You know, as I have my pup just kind of...
Scout.
But this is me in real life. This is just how it rolls. You know what I mean? I got things going on. I'm busy. I'm 33 and I'm engaged and I got a life to live. And I'm going to bring you guys along for it, but I'm just going to be more real about it at this point. I am more grateful for my subscribers than anybody could really imagine, but I'm also sitting here and I'm trying to make sure that I bring you the quality stuff that you want to see. You know what I mean? So we're going to put a twist on it. I'm going to start trying to do more of a cinematic things. I've been doing some more studying rather than studying on fishing and how to fish and doing this and that, because I know how to do a lot of that now. I'm going to really try to bring the quality of my video and my skills, and I'm really going to hone in on try to make them more cinematic, even with the basic things, like painting the lure or educating you on different rigs. Hey, pup. Hey, man, can you come on? Hey. Come on,
Lay
buddy.
down.
Can
Come
you
on.
get up in the kayak?
Come on, up.
Scout, right here.
Come on. Up. Get into bed, in the kayak. Lay down.
Good boy. Come here. Lay down.
Lay down.
Come on.
Oh,
Oh, man.
Oof.
Yeah. So, ADHD too, still. That hasn't changed. Trying to get that in better control too. Figuring that all out. But, and another thing that I want to do is my health. Before I started fishing, guys, I went and lost 100 pounds. I don't know if anybody's been around long enough to understand or remember that. But, like, I lost a lot of weight. I gained some back. Thank you, COVID. I didn't get COVID, but COVID did that to a lot of people. It's called the COVID fluff. COVID fluff. So I want to lose my COVID fluff and then some. So I'm going to start reprioritizing my health again and make it a thing. And if this doesn't keep happening, I'm going to be donating more plasma because people like my fiance are alive because of plasma, and your donation helps. So if you are able to give and donate plasma, get out there and do it if you can. You know, it's a real good cause. So
it's very much appreciated.
A lot of people are alive because of plasma, and people that I know are alive because of plasma. So plasma donations are very much welcome. Anyway, guys, yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at. We're gonna sit here and, like I said, set up for this, and hopefully this will become a video here for you soon. I got other videos from the past. I didn't put a cinematic twist on them, so I've been real hesitant to let them go. I might just throw them together, make something short and sweet and kind of to the point, but like there's been 4 or 5 videos, 3 or 4 that I haven't edited, and I don't know if I want to. I know I've got fish catches and some really good ones. I finally caught fish on the swim bait, but like it's not the same kind of twist that I want on my new videos, so I don't know what I'm going to do with that footage yet, but we're figuring it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this little short video. I don't know how long it's been, probably about 10-15 minutes with all the talking I've been doing.
6.
Oh, well, see, I have no concept of time.
Clearly.
I'm good with 6-minute videos. We're going to shoot for shorter videos. I want to capture your attention and I want to keep it. But I know that with me, I don't keep my attention for that long. I'll just start kind of dozing off about 6-7 minutes in. So we're going to end it here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, turn on all your notifications so you know when the next video drops. I'm coming in hot, guys. I'm going to take some editing with this one. We're going to take it to the next level. I'm going to spend some time with this one. And let me know if you like the quality of this video as far as like all the little B-rolls and all the fun little things that I added into this video while I went ahead and spoke too. Let me know what you think. I have a lot of little ideas now because I've been talking about all this. So like when I brought up this, the B-rolls I brought in when I did this, when she B-rolled her ring and my kayak, we're going to do all the B-rolls of that. So I hope it looked cool. I hope it looked cool. Yeah, there you go. But anyway, guys, you guys know how it goes. We're out there fishing. We're out there catching. And we are wondering where our puppy went. No complaints.
No. Sit down. Sit down. Scout. Scout. Sit. No. Sit.
Stay.
Stay. Stay. 30.6 pounds.
Okay, then.
30-pound boy.